Hey, thank you for checking out this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Lightboxes in Wix Studio projects. You can use it for promoting your sales, you can use it for coupon codes, or you can use it for collecting forms from your users, right? So there are so many ways you can use Lightboxes in Wix Studio. So let's dive in and learn how you can use them. Okay, so now I'm on my Wix Studio project and I will show you how you can add a lightbox. So if you want to practice along with this video, you can do that, or I suggest you watch the video and then you can play with your own project. If you still don't get anything, then watch the video again for more information, right? So to add a lightbox, it's pretty simple. Click on these add elements. In that, click on the layout tools and then click on the light boxes here, and you have these light boxes created by the Wix team, right? So I will use this plain one, but you can use it for coupon codes, for your e-commerce projects, or if you want to collect, let's say some of the form from your users or data from your users, then you can also use it for that purpose, right? So right now I'm into my lightbox, and here I want to add this is the container of the lightbox, and here is the main lightbox, right? So this is the lightbox. Set triggers, click on the set triggers to trigger your items. Lightbox name, right? Center, let's call it, let it be center for now. You can change it. Automatically display lightbox on pages. You say yes, then after some time, let's say delay second, after 2 seconds, when someone visits your page, then it will show up to your users, right? After 2 seconds. If you say no, then it won't show up until unless your user clicks on it, right? So I'll show you both the ways, but for now this is very easy, right? So I don't think I have to cover this, but let's use this one, so that on a click of a button, how you can show us lightbox. Link to lightbox, if you want to link it, right? I'll show you that one. How does the lightbox close? On close button or the close X icon. The X icon is here, and the close button, we don't have a close button now we have a close button, but I'll remove it because we don't want it. Let me just remove that thing from there. That's done. Add a media, you can add a background image or anything that you want. Setup overlay, all these things you can do here. Setup, if you click on the setup or clicking closing this box, right? So let's add some content here. I want to add a paragraph. I can add a paragraph here, and I can design it the way I want it. So right now let's make it like paragraph 3, and from top, I'm just dragging and aligning them just by eyeballing, right? So you can do it precisely with here. Let's say 20% from top, 10% from right. You can do those stuff here, right? So let's just have these for now, and let's add a button. Let's click on done, and now I'll add a button here. Click a quick add and then add a button. So if you don't know how to do that, just click anywhere, the right click on any canvas elements, let's say a section or container or anywhere, just click right click and then quick add, and then you can choose these image, title, paragraphs, buttons and all from here, right? For this one, I want it to open a pop-up. I want to get some information like email, the name from the users, right? So I'll select this button, then click on this link icon here, and after clicking, just on the left hand side you see this light box, and the name that we had for our light box was center, right? I already have another one which is for donation, so it's a donate one and the center. Let's hit done and then preview your light box. Just give it a moment, it's loading. Now just click here. Now you have your light box, right? If I click that, it will be closed. You can have your light box like that in Wix Studio. It's very easy. You can customize its color and other things that you want. Let's say I want to customize it, then click on these pages, and here click on this center. It will automatically open the light box for you. Here you have the light box, and I want to change the background color, so I'll click on this dark color here. I don't want that to be, I want it to have this color. I want here, I want like 40% opacity, and this button I for this color I want it like this or something like this, right? I'm just guessing it right now. Okay, so this is how you create your light box. So you have changed the style of the light box. Also you can change the color of the icon, the close icon, and you can add the content as per your requirements to your light box. So yeah, that was it for this video. In this video we learn how to use light boxes in Wix Studio, right? So if you need more help on this one, please reach out to me in the description, or you can email me at ashok@activedesigns.in. I will help you out with your queries. If you need more help with UI kit or UI elements, you can check out my new library that I have created in Wix Studio. It is based on Tailwind CSS, where I have created all the headers, hero sections, footers, pricings, features, all the sections that you can use in your projects or your clients' projects. So if you want that, go and grab it for your next Wix Studio project. Bye.